We're here at Innovate Live. This is the first year you guys are hosting this conference.
Yeah, what's the feedback that you're hearing from folks?
A lot of high energy. People loved the keynotes. They loved the hands-on sessions. I'm noticing as the cameras are around, people are engaging and telling their stories.
I was just talking to a teacher who's been teaching for 52 years, and she said that it was the first time in a while that she has felt like she cannot wait to get back into the classroom and for the school year to begin.
Well, I did really like the session I went to about being branded today. Obviously, I'm not very good at talking about myself and putting myself out there. So that's something I'm working on, and thanks Game Boy Drew for helping me out and giving me the courage to put myself out there.
So we've had Edspace kind of around, and that means people downloaded the app, and there have been videos and kind of obviously some camera people around. How has that changed the dynamic of the gathering?
In a way I expected, in a way I didn't expect. For me, and from my perspective, was it added a really awesome layer of energy, and it's like celebrity EDU. That's how it felt. I was like, man, this feels important. And to be asked your opinion and to please tell your story on camera, know that it's going out to people across the space, that you're having an impact across the space is super, super powerful.
Yeah, the opportunity to like share your learning in real time as obviously educators are learning, right?